इस वक्त आपको बता दें हमारी सहयोगी निवेदना इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़ गई हैं और कुछ तमाम जो चीजें उस पर जिक्र करना चाहेंगे। निवेदना, खासतौर पे आंध्र प्रदेश की बात करेंगे। अब से थोड़ी देर पहले ही सीएम का भी हमने जो है दिखाया किस तरीके पोलिंग बूथ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं वोट डालने के लिए। सबसे पहले अगर यहाँ पर आंध्र प्रदेश के की इश्यूज के बारे में डिस्कस करना चाहें तो क्या वो की इश्यूज हैं जिन्हें लेकर जनता आज वोट डालने के लिए पहुंच रही है?
जी बिल्कुल, very valid question because these are the factors that will drive the voter to go and exercise their vote. So quickly, let's tell our viewers as to what are the essential key issues that we're looking at when we're speaking about Andhra Pradesh. Let's take a look at these particular issues. Number one would be the never-ending capital conundrum. Remember, this has been a big political issue, so that would be one of the key poll issues as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. Let's take a look at the lack of special category status. Now, we do know that in terms of political talking point, this has been another point which has come forward. The stagnant Amravati project, considering in terms of Amravati and this particular project, political parties have really spoken about it, but what are citizens really thinking about the same and the implications of it, we'll have to wait and watch. Impact of freebie politics. We know how this worked in the state elections. Will that also turn around in terms of the Lok Sabha polls remains to be seen. Another key poll issue for Andhra Pradesh when we speak about is the vendetta politics charge. Let's also take a look at the key poll issues for Andhra Pradesh. As far as is concerned, impact of star power ground. In fact, when we're talking about a place like Andhra Pradesh, we do know there are immense popular faces. What would that really come onto the ground, and would it in that specific area culminate into a win remains to be seen. And of course, the for Muslim quota will be yet another key poll issue when we talk about Andhra Pradesh. These are of course the key poll issues that we're talking about when we speak about Andhra Pradesh. Shweta, अगर हम key poll issues तो हमने break down कर लिया है, ये तो key poll issues है, लेकिन जनता ही जानता है कि ground reality क्या होता है अक्सर when we talk about what they go ahead and vote for.
बिल्कुल निवेदना, और यहाँ पर हम ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि जो की कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनके बीच कैसा बैटल देखने को मिलेगा, उसके बारे में भी आप थोड़ा सा बताएं।
Bilkul, or there's no election that is actually complete without finding out what those key battles are looking like. So let's break that down for you this morning. This, of course, in terms of the Deputy Chief Minister in Anakapale, the Buddhi Muthiala Naidu, who is going to be one of the key candidates to look forward to rather in Andhra Pradesh. Let's also talk about the other key candidates who will be getting that particular seat that voters would want to look forward to, and also in terms of the battle. Let's talk about Tirupati in specific. Clearly seems like a triangular contest here. Gurumurthy Madilla taking on, of course, BJP's Varaprasad Rao. And of course, the Congress has fielded Chinta Mohan. So it'll be very interesting to watch how this triangular contest pans out in Tirupati. Let's also take a look at what are the other key candidates when we're talking about Andhra Pradesh, which will also give our viewers a quick sense of which battle they should definitely look forward to. Let's take a all right. Okay, so Shweta, as far as we're talking about Anakapale in specific, like we did mention, Buddhi Muthiala Naidu taking on Ramesh Munnaiah Chintakunta from the BJP. This is, of course, one of those seats and one of those candidates that we'll definitely have to look forward to. And in terms of another key contest would be Araku. We are looking at the fact that over here, how it has been fielded by the BJP over here is Kottapalli Geeta taking on Gumma Tanuja Rani. This is going to be another key contest, heavy contest that everybody is going to look forward to. Let's quickly talk about Chittoor in Andhra Pradesh, where we do Dagumula Prasad Rao taking on N. Reddappa. This will be another key contest, considering the fact that we know the kind of history the both of them have had. Let's also talk about Guntur, very essential seat for Andhra Pradesh, where Chandrasekhar Pemmasani is taking on Killari Venkata Rosaiya. So this will be another battle, key contest to be looking forward to. Will be very interesting to see how that pans out. What are the numbers that will, of course, come in? And in Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh, we're looking at B.K. Parthasarthi taking on J. Shanta. These are, of course, in terms of the fact that, remember, all seats are going into polls today, but we're just quickly breaking down those key contests. Now, talking about another very interesting contest is Kadapa. We all know the drama and the politics that ensued as far as Y.S. Sharmila Reddy, who is, of course, contesting from the Congress, taking on Y.S. Avinash Reddy. So we'll have to see, politically speaking, how this particular key contest will pan out. Let's also quickly tell our viewers as far as Machilapatnam is concerned. Well, Barashori Babaneni is taking on Simhadri Chandrasekhar. Rao. This is yet another very interesting battle. Remember, they are prominent leaders, which is why it'll be a very interesting contest to watch out for. Let's also talk about Narsarupet, where Anil Kumar Polobina is taking on Lavu Sri Krishna Devaralayu. So this is again, they have gone for a bit of, in terms of course, fielding young faces as well. So how this essential seat, this key contest will pan out remains to be seen. Since we're also talking about other key contests for Andhra Pradesh, let's talk about Ongole, where Magunta Srinivasulu Reddy, remember, big name, taking on Chevi Reddy, Bhaskar Reddy. Now, on what factors will voters decide in terms of taking their exercise and casting their vote, and who's, of course, going to win is going to be interesting. Rajamundry for Andhra Pradesh is a very prominent seat, remember. Who have BJP and Congress fielded? Let me quickly tell you, it's Dagubati Purandeshwari, a very prominent face, taking on Gidugudu Rudraj, who is, of course, going to be facing it out as far as we speak about Rajamundry. So it's going to be yet another exciting contest. Rajampet, again, is a very interesting contest where Kiran Kumar Reddy has been fielded by the BJP, taking on PV Midun Reddy. So this will again be yet another key contest. Remember, there are many seats, that all seats are going into polling today, which is why this makes it all the more interesting. Now in Nandyal, it's Pocha Brahmanda Reddy taking on BY Reddy Shabari. This will be yet another particular seat that we're looking at. Of course, another contestant who was from here, where Allu Arjun did campaign for that contestant. But let's also tell you about Nellore, where Venukumba Vijay Sai Reddy will take on Prabhakar Reddy Vemi Reddy. Now this is yet another seat which is going to be very interesting, a key contest to be looking forward to in the context of Andhra Pradesh. Let's also break down Vijayawada for you. Everybody does know this is a very prominent seat. So K.C. Neni Sivanath taking on K.C. Neni Srinivas. The only common factor is their name, but will the results work in whose favor? We'll have to wait and watch. Let's also take a quick check of more key contests, we believe, in Virinagram in Andhra Pradesh, where Bellanna Chandrasekhar takes on, beg your pardon, Appala Naidu Kalisetti. So this is yet another key contest that one can look forward to. So these are, of course, key contests, and of course we've also put the pressing concerns on what voters will be looking forward to. Lekin Shweta, there are a lot of key factors that when you talk about a place like Andhra Pradesh, a lot has changed over the years. So will that be a driving factor for voters to go ahead and make that difference is something that remains to be seen.
बिल्कुल निवेदा, आपने सही कहा कि वो मेन फैक्टर होगा और जनता क्या कुछ मूड मीटर में लेके जाएगी वोट डालने के लिए। बहरहाल वो सब देखने वाली बात हो, क्योंकि आंध्र प्रदेश के राजनीति में तमाम तरीके की तब्दीलियां इस बीच, इस दौरान हमने देखा है। बहरहाल